This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are going into the heart of Bangkok, way off the tourist trail. I'm talking about hidden alleys, local secrets, and flavors that you will only get from home cooks. So buckle up because this bike and food tour is about to redefine your Bangkok experience. Our adventure kicked off at this secret garden oasis called Tsai Eastery. It's like stumbling upon a cafe in the middle of a garden. You can sit by the Chao Phraya river bank and watch all the boats go by. There's a treetop walk. Okay, let's try to go up there. Climb this 3-story tree house and you can look down at the diners and even further down the river. This is where I met my guide, Sky. He knows Bangkok like the back of his hand. I'm the only one that signed up for this tour, so looks like I'm having a private tour. Our first stop is this roadside store, and they serve Char Siew Wanton Mee for breakfast. This isn't your average tourist fare, and I'm pretty sure locals have been coming here for a long time to savor this deliciousness.
Everyone, the first dish of the day I represent you, dry noodle with the red pork. So this thing is for make more flavor of the food. Starting from vinegar, to make a sour, peanut, oily taste, alright. Sugar, as you know, sweet. Chili pepper to make spicy, and fish sauce. Fish sauce to make it salty. This is the 5 mainly thing that every typical street food that's selling a noodle have. But this street food or this food truck, they have this thing as a signature of the people around here. It's called chili oil. So this one is spicier than chili pepper, alright, because oil will be more spicy from the chili. For me, I cannot take much spicy, so I just put a little first.
That's too little.
Too little, trust me, okay? Normal Thai people, they eat like this. This is normal Thai people, but that's not for me. Okay? I put a little first, and I love peanuts. Really love it. So what's that thing? Really love peanuts. 1 spoon of vinegar. That's all. And last one is fish sauce. I love salty taste.
I like the noodles, it's really crunchy.
Yeah.
It's really bouncy.
Very spicy, and it's make me sweat. But that's the key of Thai food.
I know you said not to eat too much because you got a lot more to eat.
Yeah,
but
there's more a lot to eat.
I finished mine.
That's so quick.
Next, we stepped into a living, breathing piece of history. A family home that's been turned into a Portuguese-Thai fusion restaurant. Their curry noodles were unlike any of the Thai curries I've ever tasted. It's the Thai, Portuguese, and Chinese influence that makes all the difference.
Chicken curry with the rice noodle. So this food is totally special because this one is the one of the mixed culture food between three cultures. It's the Thai, Chinese, and Portuguese.
Okay.
Yeah, and this recipes of food you can actually eat it only this place because this food is the past generation by generation of the food of this house for about 6 generation, and she is the 5th generation that's passed this recipes of food. All right, so you should try because you cannot find this dish in other places.
This is the best I've ever tasted. And this is the kind of place you can only find with a local guide. To cool down from a spice overload, we headed to a Portuguese museum. The cafe downstairs was a really cool place to check out. We also went to the cafe next door and got some of their freshly made curry puffs. I've got an ice mocha. This coffee is really good. And the hot weather makes this even better. So with this mocha drink, we have a curry puff. This was bought from next door's cafe. It's potato curry with a flaky dough. I really like the pastry. It's flaky. It's slightly sweet. It goes very well with the curry potato. The next stop was a 20-minute ride away, but it was well worth it. Forget the overcrowded, touristy floating markets. Khlong Bang floating market is a hipster's paradise with local cafes, art galleries, and a laid-back vibe. But before that, we went to another home along the bank of the river and had another homemade feast. And here's another example of a home that has been turned into a restaurant. So when you come here, wash your hands and give a little water to the frog. And lunch is prepared for us already. Oh.
Yeah. Let's do eat. Okay.
Okay, what do we have?
What do we have? We call it, this one is called Tom Yum.
Yes.
Tom Yum Kung. It's mean the Tom Yum soup with the shrimp and mushroom inside. Right, this one is a bit spicy, but not that much spicy. Trust me, because this food is already fixed. The spicy level is for the people.
For the foreigners.
Yeah, for the foreigners already. Alright, not for Thai people. Alright, and your dish would be krapao. Krapao musa. It means it's a pork stir fry with the basil leaf.
Yep.
Yeah, so this one is the Thai typical signature of the dish of all time. You know, like. If you don't have idea what you're going to eat, you can order krapao. That's it. Yeah, and the taste is totally very good. But there's another one, but it's not coming here yet. All right. All that club. Okay, we have fried egg. It's omelette. Right? Omelette, Thai omelette, and labutan. It's for the dessert of today. Okay, labutan. All right.
So this is the pork with the basil. Omelette. Chris. We wrapped up our epic adventure at this stunning temple whose name I cannot pronounce. This temple's centerpiece is a massive golden Buddha. The peaceful atmosphere was the perfect place to end our day. I've listed most of the locations in the description below with Google Map links. There are some places that were so local, I couldn't find them on the map. This bike tour showed me a whole other side of Bangkok. And many thanks to Sky, I got to experience it. If you have made it this far, thank you, and thank you for your support. Remember, always keep exploring, keep eating, and stay hungry.
Guys, I'm Sky. I'm the guide of the tour, the Hidden Bangkok Path biking tour. Alright, so for now I'm still studying, but actually I'm kind of freelance that's still working about this tour also. So if you're interested about the Bangkok or some hidden local path of the Bangkok or some Thai food, you should try my tour. Alright, so you can booking on the website, Airbnb on the website, and you will meet me and you will find the hidden path of the Bangkok. Alright, see you guys, have a good luck to you, and don't forget to come to Thailand. Alright.